welcome to the channel. Today I am sharing this kind of behind the scenes and what we do in our evening time. I thought that I would share with you guys what I basically give Gia in the evening snack and in the dinner. So here I have taken a watermelon and I'm just cutting it. I'm really bad at this. I'm like basically cutting a watermelon for the first time in my life. We used to get either cut watermelons, but I think that cutting it a fresh watermelon at the home is better and I think much more healthier. So this is what I'm giving in the evening time to Gia. I'll give a couple of pieces. Here Gia had finished her watermelon, and because she loves to roam around while eating and she doesn't like to sit, yes, that is the case with her. So with that, she dropped a lot of watermelon, at least droplets, on the floor, and I had to quickly go in and clean up, and that's what I'm exactly doing here. And I basically do this cleanup at least 4 to 5 times in the whole day, because whenever she eats, she has to roam around. She will have the food in her hand, she will roam around and eat. She doesn't like to sit in the high chair. So if you know someone or if your kid does this, please tell me in the comments. I would love to know that. I would love to know that I'm not alone on this. Sorry, this portion of the video is blurred. My camera is just out of the focus. So here I'm just taking a block of paneer and I'm chopping it in small square cubes. Okay, so here I've just taken a small pan and I've just added some oil to it. You can use any oil. I chose vegetable oil. Next, when the oil got heated up, I added those blocks of paneer, and now I would stir it on medium to high flame until it is brown, evenly brown on all sides. So the thing is, you don't want to burn your paneer. You want to cook it like a golden brownish color, and you don't want it extra crispy, because she has your baby, at least my baby, she has few teeth, but I don't want to make it super crunchy for her to chew and probably cause more irritation to her gums, because she's teething right now. So I would just make it golden brown but not super crunchy. I would try and maintain the softness of the paneer. So this is the final end product. Basically, this is a very easy thing, but it's high on nutrition. And nowadays, when your baby, or especially when your baby is kind of rejecting milk, the whole milk, you can give paneer, and this is you can do this once in a week or twice, or at least once in a fortnight. The reason being because it kind of uses oil, so I would try and avoid having this kind of a recipe and using this kind of method to doing and feeding your baby every other day. I would just do it once in a week. There are other things that you can do with paneer that I can share with you if you require, or if you want those kind of videos as well. हमने खा लिया. चलो. Okay, so if you guys are thinking that if that much of paneer was adequate for my 1-year-old, you're wrong, and that is not it. Gia likes to have food in basically intervals. So I have to give her food at, say, according to her, around 6:15. Then she'll finish it by 6:30. Then I will give some more food at 6:45. Then she'll finish that by 7 o'clock. Then I have to give something else at 7:15. She doesn't like to eat everything at one go. She likes to eat in intervals. So here I am now preparing some oats for her. She loves having oats in the evening time. At least she's been loving that. But today she won't. Okay, to make these kind of simple oats, I just added like a few handfuls, basically 3 handfuls of oats in a warm saucepan, and now I'm adding some almond and cashew milk to it, and I also added some water. You can say like half a glass of water, and then almost half a glass of milk. I'm going to give it a nice stir, and once I'm done with that, I'll add a pinch, or I could say a little bit more than a pinch of cinnamon, ground cinnamon powder, and I would add a pinch of salt. Then I would stir all of this, and I would bring that mixture to a boil. Once a boil comes, I'll simmer it down, and then I'll keep on stirring it till the mixture becomes thick and lumpy. Okay, so we are back to feeding her, and the thing is, she would not take in the oats like I mentioned before. Today was a challenging day, so what I did was I went in and made some chicken nuggets for her. So I put these chicken nuggets just in the like these are frozen chicken nuggets, so I just warmed it up and I gave it to her, and she loves chicken nuggets, and she kind of eats them every single day without fail. So I knew that this was a sure win, and so this is like a mom win for me today. So kind of that was it for her meal, because I think she was already full with all that paneer. That paneer is very heavy for any child, so I think that did the trick, because it kind of filled her stomach pretty well. So all that I am left with today is just making her play and eat some of that chicken nuggets, and I have to just run after her, and that's all that I did for the dinner for Gia. And if you guys have any questions, do comment below, and I will get back to you, and I'll see you in the next one.